Welcome to Driven Mad.
Welcome to Driven Mad. Now, if you're wondering why does the video look different, Dad's decided he wants to try out the GoPros. So we're going to have a little wander around the Mini with the GoPros today. And what is the video about?
Well, I've had a few comments on Facebook, because I do it because I'm old.
Yes.
Regarding that we've got spacers on and we did film it, but it was rubbish filming. So
our camera was so bad we had to just scrap it.
Yeah. Oh, and I need what do I want? I want to apologise to Mikey S and a few others because you're not getting my lovely comments, are you?
No.
Because I can't type.
He's got a wrist strain.
I've got some fluid in a tendon if anyone's interested, which you're not. Anyway, less of looking at someone as gorgeous as me, and let's move to the gorgeous Mini.
Alrighty.
So, sorry about the noise of them going down, but these are the spacers that I fitted.
So what am I showing you then, Father?
So, let's recap on what spacers are on here. So let me whiz about. Right, so front looks like that. Sideways shot of the toilet. That's for a future episode, the toilet.
And what are we going to be demonstrating here with
So
this?
let's go. So I've put 15s here on the front and we've got 20s on the back. What we need to do is show the distance that the spacer gives from the wheel.
Yep.
Which is there. So if I go back a bit.
Certainly giving it a good look.
So it gives it a nice stance. The little devil is being charged. If anyone's remotely interested, we have a Webasto Pure. Let's get the talent back in the picture.
Now the front wheels, I think, look, for me, it's given it the best transformation because
well, I think the back
it looked very wimpy before, and these have given it a right old bit of width. But you can see there that they sit actually a couple of mil from the arch, so they don't stick out. We've had no rubbing issues either at all.
That was another question that we got, was rubbing issues.
Yeah,
None.
No rubbing issues.
But on the research that I did, this is supposedly the spec John Cooper Works comes with. But because we're in Portugal, we didn't buy new wheels. Probably would have bought new wheels.
Yeah. But it's hard to get them legalised here.
The legalisation's a pain in the neck here. Oh look, there's someone in action.
Yeah. Well, you know, it just looks so much better with them on.
The full go round of the car, we've done the blackout kit, which you may or may not have seen. I hated the electrical badge, so we've just plasti dipped it out. Spacers on, changed the indicators, and the car is filthy because it's raining here in sunny Portugal. Put John Cooper Works thingies on, so if I do that, they look in the right plane. I'll hit the car with it.
I think this is going to be the hardest video to edit ever. I think I'm going to laugh quite a lot watching this.
And the only reason that this is being done is because I've spent 3 weeks watching YouTube.
Yes, yeah, and you've seen a lot of people with GoPros.
Well, I've seen a lot of people who are better than we are.
Not hard.
Correct.
Plasti dipping, because
Plasti dipping is good.
that went well with the clear coat.
The plasti dipping of the Cooper badge. And
That's
is
our
it.
lot.
And let's show your hair because it's growing well.
Yeah, growing the hair, growing the beard. Oh, I just want to be like Father. We can't show our new project. We're not allowed to show it. We're not allowed.
Oh.
That's a surprise for the viewers. They've got to like, comment and subscribe.
Oh, Christ. That's it.
That's it. That was our little mini walk round.
Well, it was whether the spacers rub.
They don't.
No.
Do they stick out past the arches?
No, they don't. It's all perfect.
Does it look good?
Yes, it does. We'll get some photos in. We may or may not have any photos of us
If I can
them.
find some footage, I'll try and chuck that in. But if not, we've got.
So the front ones are bolted through
Yep.
with the normal wheels, but extended bolts.
nuts. Yeah.
The rears are actually bolted to the car, and then the wheels are bolted again to
the
them,
spacers,
if
yeah.
anyone's remotely interested.
Yeah. Right, so here you can see these are the rear spacers. You can see how they're mounted to the car. They're bolted to the original brake and hub assembly, and then you bolt the wheel back to the spacer because they're quite thick. So you can see they come with new bolts to go in, then you just bolt straight to it. So yes, that sums up this video. I can only apologise about the videography if it's terrible, but it's going to go up just for our own amusement.
Yeah, for our own amusement,
Yeah.
we thought we would try.
Yeah, so...
Because I've been obsessed by watching, what have I been watching?
How Ridiculous.
How Ridiculous. I think those blokes are brilliant.
Yeah,
Love them.
Guy's obsessed every day watching those.
Yeah, I've only just found them, so I've actually had 3 weeks of, if you like watching things get smashed up, they're way, way better than us, so go and watch them.
Yes, but hopefully you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.
One day I'll change all of my